Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a new software instrument track and inserting sampler. This gives you immediate mapping and editing controls. Drag an audio file or record a quick hit directly into the sampler pane so you can audition it. Once loaded, choose a mapping mode, one shot for whole samples, sliced for transient-based loops, or zones for multi-sample keys, because that determines how playback and pitch will behave. Then set root key and initial gain to keep levels consistent before deeper edits. You now refine how the sample behaves across the keyboard. Trim start and end points, set the root key and transpose so pitch tracking is accurate. This prevents formant shift artifacts. If you slice the sample, assign slices to keys or create zones and adjust crossfades to remove clicks. Next, sculpt dynamics with the amplitude adser and place a low-pass or high-pass filter to tame frequencies. These choices shape attack, sustain, and the overall timbre for musical cohesion. Finish by adding modulation and responsiveness so the sampler feels alive. Map an LFO to filter cutoff for movement and route velocity to amp or filter for expressive dynamics. Test across octaves, tweak velocity curves, then save the instrument or bounce individual zones as new samples for quick recall. If you encounter clicks or pops, make sure to apply small crossfades, enable loop smoothing, and nudge the sample start slightly. These fixes eliminate artifacts and keep your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.